Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome also to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. Your support is really appreciated. It helps to build the channel. So thank you and welcome, and I hope you continue to enjoy watching my videos. This time I have another design team project for the wonderful Dash of Dave, who very kindly has given me his kits to play with. This is a combination of two of his kits, one being Ensemble and the other being Myriad. I'm probably going to get confused as to which is from which kit, but if you go to Dave's Etsy store, you will find both kits there. I will put the appropriate links down below also, and a link to his YouTube channel as well. So yes, it's a smaller journal than before, and there will be a surprise at the end of this video, but you'll have to watch the video in order to find out what the surprise is. Anyway, this is the front cover. These are all the main page design is from Dash of Dave's kit, as is the element there, no tipping, and I've just added a little number there, and there's a Tim Holtz paper doll there as well. I've just tied it there with some seam binding, as it is starting to get a gaiter mouth. Not as bad as my normal, but it's getting that way, so whoever ends up with this journal will be able to close it if they add any more elements to it. Anyway, in the cover there is a pocket, and that has a tag in, which is from Dave's kit, one of Dave's kits. I've just added a collage to the top there. There's some music paper, a stamp I had in my stash, and a Love Junk Journal label there. And that tag is made from an element from his kit, and I've just sewn around it. And it's all coffee dyed on the back. That just slots in there. Going in, we also have another pocket on the inside there, and that's a journal card that I've made from a page from Dave's kit, and I just added some collage at the top there, and a sari silk tab, again all sewn around and coffee dyed on the back with some ledger there as well. That's Tim Holtz ledger from one of his paper pads there. The journal is lined with canvas fabric, and also a paper bag with vintage adverts on, so it makes for interesting reading. Here's another tag from Dave's kit. I've added the butterfly, the fabric band there, and the sentiment and the label. And that's a canvas tag tab there, again sewn round and coffee dyed on the back. This is an envelope from Dave's kit, which I've collaged on. I've just put a card circle closure there. And that's another element from Dave's kit. That's from one of his tags, which I've made into a journaling card. Again, coffee dyed on the back. It goes in there. This is a lovely muted page from one of Dave's kits. The kits are backed with Bohemian Crafting's vintage papers. Well, I'll also link her down below as well. This is a page from Dave's kit. I've turned over and made into a pocket there. There's a journaling card from Dave's kit, sewn around and coffee dyed on the back. This is from a page from one of his kits. I think that's from Myriad or Ensemble. It could be Ensemble, I'm not sure. You'll have to check out the kits to find out. But anyway, it's a wonderful page. I've not decorated it at all because there's a few layers on there. It's just fabulous. Again, coffee dyed and sewn around on the back. That's another page from Dave's kit. There's some mulberry paper there. That's another page from Dave's kit. And I've made that into a flip out page. I've added some ephemera on one of Dave's kits. Can't remember which one. That's another page from Dave's kit. Just a doily in the middle there on one of the tickets from one of the kits. That's the other side of that page from the kit, and I've added an ephemera piece which is also in the kit there. Another wonderful page. If you just see all the different layers, it's fabulous. That's the other side of that mulberry paper. Another page from Dave's kit. That's a pocket from the kit, one of the kits, and that's a tag from the kit. I've added some collage to it. The big element is from one of the kits. I've added a fussy cut flower, the specimen label from Love Junk Journals there, and that's just a tag that I've made from a scrap from the kit. Again, sewn around and coffee dyed on the back. There's just a bit of a chiffon ruffle there, just sewn down, added to the page for extra interest. There's another page from one of his kits. That page is a flip out. Ephemera from the kit, one of the kits. That's the other side of that muted page. You can see it there. It's just lovely as that. I love that. Second signature. Wonderful pages from the kit. There's a journaling card I've created from a page from one of the kits and sewn around and coffee dyed on the back. Again, not had to add anything to them because they're just fine by themselves. There's a postcard from the kit. I've just added some of the faux washi that's provided. That's an ephemera element from one of the kits. I've just added some book page there. All sewn around and coffee dyed on the back. Some more mulberry paper. Another page from the kit. There's a pocket from the kit. And I've just added some collage too. Two tags from journaling tags from the kit. I've just added some bits to the front there. The flower is a die cut from one of the scraps from the kit. That's a ticket from from one of the kits, and the labels again from Love Junk Journals, all sewn around and coffee dyed on the back. Much the same with that one. The only thing that isn't Dave's there is the label. Another page from the kit, which I folded over again, made into a pocket. There's a journaling card I've created from one of the pages and sewn around and coffee dyed from the kit, coffee dyed on the back. There's a postcard. I've added a vintage stamp that I had in my stash and rubber stamped it with a faux cancellation effect there. Those elements there are from the kits. Again, sewn around and coffee dyed on the back. Another wonderful page from the kit. There's an envelope I've just added to the middle of the signature there. The envelope closure there is from the Ensemble kit. And there's a journaling card from the Myriad kit. And again, coffee dyed and sewn around at the back on the round. There's some more ephemera fussy cut from the kit, as is the faux washi. Another page from the kit that's just been made into a flap out page. Little tab on there. Another page folded round, made into a pocket. Again with a postcard from the kit, and I've added the ephemera that was also in the kit. The butterfly was a moustache. Again sewn around. Coffee dyed on the back. A journaling card from a page. And again sewn around. Another page from the kit. Some more of the chiffon ruffle there, just added to the edge of the page. Some more mulberry paper. Another fold around page made into a pocket. A journaling card I've created from one of the kits. And that's a journaling card already available in the kit, one of the kits. Another page from the kit. And there's the last page. And at the back here, we've got the other side of that bag there with the interesting adverts on. There's a tag from the kit, which I've collaged, just fussy cut that flower. There's a book page on the back there. The numbers are from some ephemera in the kit. I just added a sentiment there. And some canvas at the top there. Sewn around, and again coffee dyed. Into the pocket. There's a little origami fold envelope here from a page from one of the kits. There's the page. It's all coffee dyed. Let's see if I can remember how to fold it now. I can't remember how I folded it now. Right, I'll do that off camera. But I will fold it right. Also on the back there's another pocket with a tag from the kit. There's a faux washi sticker there, the leaves. Just added a butterfly. There's a ticket there from the kit, and the numbers there from the kit. This is the tab. Again, sewn around and coffee dyed on the back, and then the slots in the back there. I'm going to give it one more try. No, I shall try it later. Anyway, the surprise is that I think I'm on about 390 something subscribers now, and the surprise is that when I reach 500, I'm going to do a random draw, and there will be a lucky winner who receives it. So when I get to 500, I will remind everybody, and you can all subscribe to my channel, because the requirements actually to win the thing once I get to 500 will be to subscribe to the channel, comment on the actual video that I mention it in, and to like the actual video as well. But obviously I'll remind you nearer the time, but this will be for the lucky winner. So I'm just thanking everybody. I mean, these kits were given to me by Dave. I've not had to purchase them or anything, so I thought I would give back by creating this for somebody who would like it. So I will see you in the next video. I'm on to a different, just for a break, I'm doing a different journal next time, which will be shown in due course. I don't know how long that'll take me. Anyway, thanks again everybody for watching. I do hope you enjoy all the videos that you do see, and we'll continue to see you. Okay, well, bye for now, and see you next time. Bye bye.